Hey everyone, welcome to our room here at the Best Western Plus Park Place Inn and Mini Suites in Anaheim. The Best Western Plus Park Place Inn and Mini Suites is located at 1544 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is a 0.3 of a mile or a 5-minute walk to the gates of Disneyland. This hotel is rated number 31 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim. Amenities include a pool, spa, and hot continental breakfast. We booked a 2-queen room plus a queen sofa bed. We always like to have an extra bed in the room if we can, and this will work out perfectly for our family. We just walked in, the room looks super clean, and so far it's met my expectations. Look for more of our experience coming soon in our experience video after we stay here, and we'll let you know everything we liked about this hotel. This room has a really great sized dresser. It also includes this really nice sized mini fridge and a microwave in this room, and we brought our own breakfast to save us probably about $40 a day in breakfast prices. But this hotel, we forgot, has a free continental breakfast. There's grab and go items and hot food, and we'll let you know what that's like too. There's also ample desk space here, and they do provide 4 regular outlets and 2 USBs right on the desktop, which is awesome to charge all of our devices. And as usual, anytime there's an extra chair in the room, we always really appreciate that. On the nightstand here, there is a lamp with 2 regular outlets, so you can charge your devices. Anytime there's extra outlets, we always really like that because we have so many between the 4 of us. This is a little living room area, and this couch folds out to a queen size sofa sleeper, which usually it's a double. So I was really happy to see the size of this couch, and it actually looks really nice and new. No stains, no rips, no tears. I just quickly sat on the sofa bed, and it feels like a sofa bed, so it'd probably be best for children, probably not adult, but it is a nice size. This room actually has 3 areas to put your luggage. I don't think we've ever stayed in a room with so many spots to stick your luggage, and I really like that because usually we're staying for a quick trip and I don't unpack everything out of our suitcase. So there's a bench here, and then in this really nice sized closet there is 2 luggage racks. One is here, and I already took one out and put it in this extra space here in the bathroom. There's also an iron and ironing board. This bathroom is really spacious. We love when the sink is outside from the toilet and the shower, so one of us can be showering and the other one can be getting ready. As you can see, there's a ton of counter space, and they also have a coffee pot here. It's even so spacious you could probably fit a pack and play in this area, and definitely stroller parking. This layout reminds us a lot of the other Best Western, the sister property to this one, just a couple doors down. We also have a video for that. It's called the Best Western Anaheim Inn. I'm standing outside of the restroom area because the fan is quite loud in there, but I love that there is a fan. A lot of times there isn't, so we like that they have one here. It's a very spacious tub shower combination, and I love when they have like the curved area for the shower curtain. It just gives you a little bit extra space when you're in the shower. The shower head is probably about 6 feet tall, maybe 6'2". It's not too bad. I think if you were not as tall as me, you could probably stand on the edge of the tub and be able to adjust it. The shower is immaculately clean, no hair anywhere. One major perk of this motel is that it is one of the closest to the crosswalk to the entrance of Disneyland. I would say this hotel and the Parkview Inn are the closest off-property hotels to the entrance of Disneyland. I would think another perk here is the continental breakfast. They did tell me there's grab and go and hot items. For us, that's a huge savings in the morning, and right now it is 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. at the time of filming. This is a motel, and we did get here a little late. We have heard a little bit of noise, typical in a motel. Being closer to the entrance of Disneyland, I think too, you're gonna hear a little bit more noise, and we are located towards the front of the property, so I think we are hearing a little bit more because of that as well. And we also noted that parking is a little bit tight here, and we did find a good spot, but if you have a larger vehicle, it might be a concern. If you want to check out the other Best Western Anaheim Inn, click here. Thank you so much for watching.